The Citizen Zenshin goes head to head with the it's either a bit tight or a bit loose. Hello and welcome back to our channel Restworthy. Today we are going to unbox and review a watch that embodies the spirit of innovation and precision, the Citizen AW0130. This is not just any solo watch, it's a standout piece that competes directly with icon like Tissot PRX in so many ways. Stay tuned as we dive deep into every feature and its incredible story. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it already. Before we go into the details, let me quickly unbox the watch and remove all the tags and the plastics. So this is our beautiful Citizen AW0130, aka Citizen Zenshin. Citizen has a stellar reputation in the watch community. The AW0130 is inspired by Citizen's Zenshin philosophy, symbolizing constant advancement and innovation. In real world, the Citizen Zenshin goes head to head with the Tissot PRX. They both have retro-inspired design. They both feature integrated bracelet, sapphire crystal. While the Tissot PRX is available in quartz and automatic, the Citizen offers automatic and eco-drive movement. Now let's check the dimensions quickly. The dial size is 39.5 mm and the case thickness is about 10 mm. The case and the bracelet is made up of super titanium, which makes it super light. The watch is finished in dual tone polish. While the case and bracelet has brushed finish, the bezel, lugs and the end of the links are polished. Watch has a fold-over clasp with push button. The clasp only has two micro adjustment holes, so it's either a bit tight or a bit loose. I generally request brands to have more micro adjustment holes. Talking about the case back, it is also made up of titanium and has a sunburst pattern. The case back is screw down type and has information mentioned about the watch like Eco Drive, titanium, sapphire, 100-meter water resistant, J800 movement and Duratect, which is a surface hardening technology used by Citizen to make watch parts harder. The case shape is octagonal and the bezel is polished. The crown is unsigned and it's push and pull type. The watch is also available in white, green and blue dial. The other versions of Zenshin are chronograph with eco drive and automatic with sub-second hand. I purchased the watch from Desert Card and paid about 28,000 Indian rupees, which is equal to 328 US dollars. As soon as you see the watch in person, I am pretty sure you will immediately fall in love with the beautiful dial design and the dial color. The dial is textured salmon color with day-date window at 3 o'clock position and the indices are applied. The hands and the indices are treated with the luminescent material. Here are some lume shots for you. Now it's the time to put it on and check if it is wrist worthy or not. Do share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, as it motivates me to publish new content for you. Let's talk about the on-wrist experience. The dial size is 39 mm and my wrist size is 7 inch. The watch sits comfortably on the wrist, strikes a perfect balance between presence and wearability. It feels super light and solid at the same time. The brushed finish on the case and bracelet prevents it from being too flashy and makes it versatile enough to pair with your casual and formal outfit. Now let's check how does it look when it's compared with Citizen Black Panther. And this is how it goes with Timex Expedition North Solar. If you haven't seen our review on these watches, please click on the link in the description below. In conclusion, the Citizen AW0130 is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a reliable everyday watch. While it has a couple of minor drawbacks, it offers excellent value and holds its own against Tissot PRX very strongly. Whether you are at work or out in the city, this watch is a reliable companion that doesn't compromise on style or practicality. So that's it for now, and thank you for watching the video till the end. And remember, every great collection starts with a watch that's truly wrist-worthy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more watch reviews. Let us know in the comments if you are considering this watch or if there is any other watch you would like us to review. Do connect with us on Instagram and Facebook. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wrist-worthy.